Personally, I had support and grants when I went to school, so I know how important they are. The foundation was specifically set up to give out education grants, scholarships.
One of our social commitments is to encourage Indigenous and underrepresented groups to choose creative services as their career. The best way to do that is to support students.
I moved to Vancouver last August, and starting life in a new city wasn't easy. With high living costs, rent, and tuition, I had to work part-time while going to school. Luckily, our instructor at Demo has been really supportive. His guidance in both theory and hands-on training has helped me a lot.
Well, we're really excited at the prospect of a bunch of energized, new, young people coming into our sector. It's so important to make sure that students have a leg up when they need it. Not everybody has that support, so it's really important that we're there for them, that we're
opening doors. We know a VCC education is about real learning for real change and the impact that they can have on their own lives as well as their future career. And we just want to play a small part in that journey.
To me, this award means recognition and encouragement. It reminds me that my hard work is paying off. And it also gives me even more motivation to keep learning and doing my best in this field.
Supporting students aligns with our values and experiences at PS & Co. because we are in a service business and what we do is help others succeed.
So it's really important to our members, to the dealers who see the need in their businesses every day to help people that want to get ahead, that want to make a difference, that want a career.
And when they succeed, that creates a positive impact on the community. Today, VCC is already producing skilled workers. The new building is just going to amplify that.
We're really excited at the prospect of a new facility to help develop the coming talent that's really going to be needed in the automotive sector, with so many vacancies coming up, with big retirements happening across our sector in the coming years.
And in industries that are focused on a better and sustainable future for our province and our nation.
Thank you for supporting VCC.
Tabi Masai, Tabi Hanzu.
Thank you for supporting VCC.
Thank you for supporting VCC.
Thank you for supporting VCC.